Good evening mga friends and relatives and all my foreigners. Good evening. I want to have a drama for myself or not. That's real. Ako, I'm beginner to the Facebook, but I present myself to do this because I want all my families and my relatives. I want to help